Welcome to ITPro Express, your one-stop destination to master Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and all things productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to level up their tech skills, this is the place for you. From quick tips and tricks to in-depth tutorials, I'll guide you step by step to make your work smarter, faster, and more efficient. On this channel, you'll find easy-to-follow Excel tutorials, practical Word and PowerPoint lessons, time-saving tips for professionals, and solutions to common tech challenges. So, if you're ready to transform the way you work and impress everyone with your skills, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join me on this exciting journey with ITPro Express. Let's get started and make productivity a breeze. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.